guys, so a little bit of a background change today because it's currently 41 degrees outside and I didn't want to go to the apartment where I usually film, but I received this came today, which is the package from Indonesia, and it's got like 140 cards. It's like, so I'm super excited for and I want to film an unboxing video right now because I can't wait to open it. So yeah, I'm just filming this at my actual home. So yeah, let's get started. I'll just play some music as well. Okay, so excited. So my friend actually sent me this because I buy stuffs and then I have them sent to a friend's house in Indonesia, and that's how my address isn't gonna be there, right? Okay, my address is there. I need to close that. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this without showing my address? Ah! Okay, it's gonna be there. It's gonna do that. Aww. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, so it was my birthday like like 2 weeks ago, I would say. Oh, exactly 2 weeks now. Oh, and she wrote me a birthday card. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I'm just gonna take all of these out. Okay. So let's start off with these cards. Oh, there's Kevin, Jacob, Sangyeon, and Chongyeon's Mihwadam cards. These are basically hers that she needs help with selling, so I offered. I was like, I can help you sell them. So yeah, so these are that. Oh, Sangyeon's a bit damaged though. Should be fine, right? I mean, yeah, I'd have to let the buyer know. Where should I put this? I think I'll just put them here. I have like a table here. Okay. Oh, I'll just put them here actually. And what is this? I'm assuming these are postcards. This is the second time she sent me packages, and she always packs them really nicely. So, like, one of the most safe packagings I've ever had basically comes from her. So I'm really happy. Okay, so these not all of these are my stuff. So I helped a few friends buy their stuffs as well, buy stuffs from them as well. And hello. Okay. Oh god, these are taped really tightly. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. So first of all, we've got Jacob's latte. Should I just leave it? Should I open it? I'll open it later, because it's not mine, it's a friend's. So yeah, I'll just leave that there. My treasure stuffs are finally here. Like I said, most of my treasure collections are not here. I mean, I don't have them, and they were coming from Indonesia, and so yeah, here they are. Oh god. Oh lord. What? Wait a minute. Oh gosh, that's Chinese. Oh, so hot. Okay. Did this get taped to the actual postcard? Wait a second. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Did someone cut open this? Oh. Okay, disaster. Oh, it broke. That's probably my fault. Okay, well, I'm gonna need to buy a new postcard or I'll just be... Who cares? So I've got... That's fine. I'm sad. That's fine. I've got Jiwon's postcard, Hyunsuk's postcard, Hyunsuk's black postcard, Yedam's both postcards, and Jungyu's postcard as well. And I got Juyeon's maroon postcard, Tangmin's maroon postcard. It's a bit dirty. It's fine. I think I can rub that out. Chwangyun's Steeler postcard, Pomin and Chani's. This is for a friend as well. The Potacell unit. Postcard. Not unit, sorry, individual. And then now for the fun part, photo cards. Oh my gosh, that's how thick. This is only one pile as well, so. Oh god. Wow, okay. Huh? So many. Ah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's start off with this. So, got Yedam, Jihoon, doing this on the ground just because I have nowhere else to film. Sorry. So is part one. Oh, if I just did this. Oh yeah, this would be better. So this is part one. Then these are friends, so the beetroot photo cards. Oh, can't really see. There. These are friends. Oh, these two are mine. The rest are my friends. So these I'll just separate because these are theirs. This is theirs. Put it like that. And next. Oh, these are freebies that I got. And then I've got these. These are all mine. So excited. Oh god, that broke. Oh, I've got a dupe. Yay! So most of the treasure photo cards, of course, come with damages because YG Entertainment sucks with packaging, but that's fine. It's basically mine. And then, yeah. Oh god. Basically my whole treasure chapter 3 collection is here. Ta-da! I should have arranged them later on when I sort them into my binder. So that's the first pile. And then there's still another one. Ah. Oh god. Wait. You know what? I'm going to, because plastic's a bit frail. Okay. Onion's ticket. The V Live, the boyz V Live. Women's on contact. Women's goldenness. I don't know why I got this. Because I thought it was cute. Jacob. Changmin's DMC. This is a friends as well. So this is the first pile. These are all mine. Ridiculous amount, I know. Apologies. I'm such a big spender. I'm not very proud of it. A pot to sell. GMC. Oh, one of them's mine. This is my friends. Oh, another group PC. I love group PCs. I've been so into them lately. So yes, this is the third pile. Sorry, I'm going through this really quickly, just because I know that if why are all the songs that are playing like Chinese? I mean, it's because I listen to Chinese songs. I know that, but I mean, play other songs, please. Not that I have anything against Chinese songs, it's just I don't think it fits the mood. Oh, there it is. Jacob. I think that's a dupe. I accidentally bought two. Oh! Oh my gosh, my friend gave this free! No, that's on my wish list. Oh! Is this also... Shit! Oh wait. Did I? Oh no, I think... Thank you! Ah. She's been such an angel, like she's already helping me with all of these. And yet she's giving me photo cards as well on top of that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really need to arrange them. I collect RT12. Oh, this looks very satisfying. Oh, one of them is a friend's as well. is my Chongyeon AirPods case PC. And you would think that that's the end, but that really isn't. Should probably divide it because it's too tall. Then we've got the ones that go in the top loader because they're the more expensive cards and have to be more protected, I would say. Not that, yeah. Not saying that the cards are worth any less, but they're squared cards basically. Squared cards that need to. Oh. They go up, they go down. So straight down. NCT Dream is the only NCT unit I'm probably a fan of. I used to stand NCTs because I was into I've liked them since SM Rookies. Oh no, yeah, SM Rookies and the Mickey Mouse house theme. So I've known Mark since then, but so Mark has always been my bias. And yeah, I was so sad when it was announced that he was going to be leaving NCT Dream, and now that he's back, I'm just like, okay. Anyways, so these are the I asked for the squared cards to be put in top loaders as well because they're more prone to damage because they're like squared edges. So with this, basically, oh wait, what? I have that card? I thought I already completed all the songs. Oh, well, oh, okay. Oopsie. I guess I have a dupe. I have a dupe. Haha. So with this, my trading cards, I've got 2 missing. So I'm done. I'm gonna put these away. Oh god. That's fine. These trading cards are so easily damaged. That's fine. So that's set 1. And set 2. I think I'll leave this for last because I know these are cards. This is the card, like these are the cards that I'm most excited about. I've got playing cards if I'm not mistaken. Yes, AR cards. Basically had to buy them one by one because they didn't come in sets, but yay! Oh, I don't know why I have this, but it's Seungmin's film PC, filthy, and my playing cards. Oh. Who cares? It's going to Sunwoo's, Youngwon's, Eric's, and I got these 3 for my binder, so I can arrange them. Because right now, if you see my binder video, I only have like filler cards in, like just plain white cards. I was waiting for these to arrive, so I bought the whole playing card set. Oh my gosh, why won't you get up? I can't pick it up. Yeah. Oh my god. Ah! Oh! Oh my god, okay, I'm just gonna... Oh god, okay, there it is. Oh. This is ridiculous. Okay, there you go. The final one that I'm more excited about. Okay. Oh god. So first of all, I've got oh yeah. Oh no, they weren't. Yeah. Sangyon's parang. Okay, and then I'm gonna open this first. The booklet pieces. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And this is Pomin's Tower Records PC. It was really pretty expensive. Okay. So yes, that is it basically. Oh, I've got this. Oh, it's this one. I've got this as well. So these are all the special Road to Kingdom cards that I got from Indonesia. I will need to individually sleeve them, but it's just that I think I ran out of sleeves. Should I just sleeve the important cards first? I think I've got enough for those. Hold on, just 1 second. I think I'll just end it here. I'll do that when I will record another video of me sorting and putting all these cards into my binder. So yes, more content. I'm so, oh my god, I'm so, anyways, yes, very quick unboxing video, I would say. Quick as in like 23 minutes. Yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!